Here are the crypto top headlines covered in this video. SEC cost crypto firms $426 million under Gensler, says Blockchain Association. Next, Bitcoin investors pile $875 million into BlackRock fund amid crypto rally. Also, MicroStrategy to raise $42 billion to buy Bitcoin in 2121 plan. Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, where there are no speeches on my opinions, just bringing crypto's news to you. I would greatly appreciate it if you would click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. It does help support the channel, so thank you in advance for doing so. Now, on to these headlines. Our first top headline: SEC cost crypto firms $426 million under Gensler, says Blockchain Association. The advocacy group called for crypto voters to support a change in leadership at the SEC, given Gary Gensler's regulation by enforcement approach since 2021. The Blockchain Association, a cryptocurrency and blockchain advocacy group, reported that the United States Securities and Exchange Commission had cost companies at least $426 million in litigation involving digital assets since Gary Gensler took over as chair. In an October 31st update to its Regulation by Enforcement page, the Blockchain Association, or BA, reported that the SEC had brought 104 cases against the crypto industry from 2021 to 2023. According to the association, self-reported data by BA member companies, a small slice of the industry, suggested that crypto firms had spent $426 million in defense litigation against the regulator. The industry and the American voter is ready for change and a fair shot, said the BA. The time of lawfare against our industry must end. That begins with a change of leadership at the SEC. Many industry advocates and U.S. lawmakers have criticized the SEC chair for a regulation by enforcement approach to crypto since assuming leadership in 2021. Under Gensler, the Commission has filed enforcement actions against Binance, Ripple, Coinbase, and several other firms. The BA claimed on X that in addition to the money, Gensler's anti-innovation crypto crusade resulted in an immeasurable loss of jobs, innovation, and U.S. tech investment. The organization and its CEO, Kristen Smith, called on crypto users to support a change in leadership at the SEC. Moving voters into the 2024 election, the X posts did not specifically mention which political candidates the organization or Smith would support in the 2024 election for the SEC's change of leadership. Republican Donald Trump claimed he would fire Gensler on day one if elected, while reports suggested that Democratic Vice President Kamala Harris was considering possible replacements for the SEC chair. Crypto is an up-for-grabs election issue with the power to sway voters. No party currently owns the issue, but voters say they are more likely to support and back candidates who support innovations in the digital asset space, said the BA. Crypto voters make up 18% of the electorate and are even more winnable on this issue. Early voting is still underway in many U.S. states, with Election Day on November 5th. As of October, many polls showed Vice President Harris favored to win the popular vote, but the Electoral College race was effectively a toss-up between the Democratic candidate and Trump. Let me pause here for a moment. If you're getting value out of this video, please click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Our next top headline: Bitcoin investors pile $875 million into BlackRock fund amid crypto rally. BlackRock's spot Bitcoin ETF recorded $875 million of inflows on October 30th, surpassing its previous record by about 3%. BlackRock's spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund recorded its biggest day of inflows since its launch in January as crypto markets surged. On October 30th, BlackRock's spot Bitcoin ETF, or IBIT, recorded inflows of $875 million according to CoinGlass data. This marked the highest inflow day for IBIT since its launch on January 11th. 13 days of consecutive inflows for IBIT. The figure has surpassed IBIT's previous high of $849 million set on March 12th as per Farside data. It also marked the 13th consecutive inflow day for IBIT, totaling about $4.08 billion in inflows during the period. Traders are speculating that a billion-dollar inflow day may be imminent. I said billion-dollar inflows. It was not a joke. Crypto trader Trading Axe told their 70,300 ex-followers. Meanwhile, crypto trader Cozy the Caller said to their 164,100 followers that it is going to be above 1 billion the day we break all-time high for sure. BlackRock's performance eclipsed the other 10 U.S.-listed spot Bitcoin ETFs, which brought in a combined $21.3 million in inflows. Fidelity Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund ranked second with $12.6 million, while Bitwise Bitcoin ETF saw the lowest with outflows totaling $23.9 million. At the time of publication, Bitcoin was trading at $72,410, just 1.7% below its all-time high of $73,679, reached on March 13th. Traders' eyes are all on U.S. election. Some analysts say the United States presidential election on November 5th could be a catalyst for Bitcoin to climb above its previous high. Swift lead analyst Pav Hundal recently told Cointelegraph that a Donald Trump victory would likely provide a dopamine hit. On October 29th, IBIT's daily trading volume hit $3.35 billion, marking its highest level since April 1st. Bloomberg ETF analyst Eric Balchanis said that the surge confirmed FOMO among market participants. Meanwhile, on October 28th, Cointelegraph reported that in the coming days, the U.S. spot Bitcoin ETFs across the board may reach a total of 1 million Bitcoin in holdings. Our next top headline, MicroStrategy to raise $42 billion to buy Bitcoin in 2121 plan. Crypto commentators are bullish on MicroStrategy's plan, predicting it will propel the company ahead of not just other public firms, but countries too. Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy is gearing up to raise $42 billion over the next 3 years to accumulate more Bitcoin, the firm revealed. The plan, dubbed the 2121 plan, will consist of $21 billion in equity and $21 billion in fixed income securities over the next 3 years, according to a statement from MicroStrategy on October 30th. At the time of publication, $42 billion in Bitcoin is equivalent to about 578,586 BTC, accounting for 2.7% of the total Bitcoin supply. Move to capitalize on BTC returns. MicroStrategy's president and CEO, Phong Le, said the move would bolster the firm's returns from holding Bitcoin. As a Bitcoin treasury company, we plan to use the additional capital to buy more Bitcoin as a treasury reserve asset in a manner that will allow us to achieve higher BTC yield, Phong said. MicroStrategy reported that its current BTC year-to-date yield is 17.8%, with plans to achieve an annual BTC yield of 6% to 10% between 2025 and 2027. Crypto commentator, Bitcoin mining stock guy, said that he was bullish on the news after pointing out that $21 billion is like the total market cap of all the public miners combined. Meanwhile, quant volatility researcher Ryan McGinnis weighed in on the plan, saying that it is escape velocity. The only question is how wide will the gap be between MSTR and every other public company on Earth combined, and even countries, he wrote. This comes after McGinnis said on March 6th that MicroStrategy was a monopoly of value. MicroStrategy's recent convertible senior notes plan. In September, MicroStrategy completed a $1.01 billion offering of 0.625% convertible senior notes due in 2028, with plans to use a portion of the proceeds for Bitcoin acquisition. The private offering, which concluded on September 19th, targeted institutional investors and enabled the conversion into cash or MicroStrategy stock. Cointelegraph reported on October 25th that MicroStrategy has increased over 1,500% since 1999, compared to Microsoft's 1,460% gains during the same 25-year period. So this concludes Crypto Top Headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.